Yes, the news that is flying online is that Nigeria government has ordered the Finland police to arrest Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa has been arrested by the order the Nigeria government gave to Finland government. Send this message to Britain and Nigeria government. This message is for you people. Arresting Simon Ekpa and Mazen Nandekano will not stop the end of Biafra. Listen to me, make I tell you people. If gun and bullet will end Biafra, during the Biafran war that Nigeria government and Britain, they slaughter millions of Igbos. If gun and bullet will end Biafra, after Biafran war, no Igbo man or woman will talk about Biafra. But gun and bullet will not end Biafra. Listen to me, Nigeria government. The best thing that you people will do, ask the Igbos, what is your problem? That is the best thing that you people will do. Yes, Owazrike has rise up in his own time. Nandekano, Simon Ekpa. We don't know the next person will come out. We don't know the next person will come out in next 10 years, in next 5 years. Listen to me, you Nigeria politicians that are sitting in Aslok today. Most of you may not last 50 years, 20 years, 30 years. You will live on this earth. Even though the day when you will live on this earth, the next generation will start fighting for Biafra. Yes, my father fight for Biafra. Now I'm in my own time. I'm seeing Biafra. I'm seeing people that is fighting Biafra in my own time. Even though if the Biafra do not come, the day I will leave this world, my children will start fighting for Biafra. Listen to me, Nigeria government, the best thing that you people need to do, and Britain, call the Igbos, ask them, what is your problem? Why are you people talking about Biafra? What is the problem? That is the solution. Then Igbos will tell you people, look at the reason we are saying that we need Biafra. Look at the reason we are saying that we are not among this country called Nigeria. Look at what Nigerians are doing to us. This is the reason that we are saying that we need Biafra. When the Igbos will talk their problem, and what you people will do, you people will know how to bring the solution. If you people will not bring the solution, you give them Biafra, let them go on their own way. Because I'm not happy for all the slaughtering of police and the soldiers in this east. I'm not happy because the Lord I'm serving is against shedding of blood. Will I talk about the blood that Nigerian politicians are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering thousands of Christians since 2009? Christians have been slaughtered in this country called Nigeria. Will I talk about it? Or will I talk about the blood they are slaughtering in this east? Some are doing it under the name of Biafra. The Lord I'm serving is against shedding of blood. Nigerian politicians, you people should do the right thing. I'm not supporting evil. When I see evil, I will condemn that evil. Nigerian politicians, you people should do the right thing. You people should do the right thing in Igbo land. Because I'm not happy for what I'm seeing happening in Igbo land. Insecurity. So many people has hijacked Biafra, using the name of Biafra, committing evil in Igbo land. You people should do the right thing in Igbo land, Nigeria government. Because the blood is strong. All the people they slaughtered during the Biafran war, all the Igbos, the innocent people, the mothers and the fathers and the children they slaughtered during the Biafran war, their blood is still crying. Their blood is still crying. They never get justice. That they need Biafra. That is the only evil they committed in their own time. And the Britain tell them that who gave you order to talk about your freedom? They slaughter them. Ojukwu try his best. Ojukwu try his best. Ojukwu try his best. What do the Igbos do? I want to know the evil that Igbos committed during the Biafran war. They no commit any evil. Only what they say that we need our freedom. We need our freedom. That is the only thing. I say it before. Listen to me. Our fathers, our forefathers, if our forefathers know that their children will suffer this thing that we are suffering today in Nigeria under the name of one Nigeria. They wouldn't permit Britain to join us together as one Nigeria. They wouldn't accept one Nigeria if they know that their children will suffer this thing that we are suffering today in Nigeria under the name of one Nigeria. If our forefathers know that their children will be slaughtered, millions of Igbos will slaughtered under the name of one Nigeria, they wouldn't permit Britain to join them together as one Nigeria. I'm telling the Nigeria government for them to do the right thing. For them to do the right thing, let them do the right thing. Yes, they are fighting Simon Ekpa, they are fighting Nnamdi Kanu, they are fighting. If you stand up to talk about Biafra, they will arrest you. They will arrest you or they will slaughter you. As long as you open your mouth to talk about Biafra, they will arrest you. But in this country called Nigeria, since 2009, do you know how many people that Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen have been slaughtered? Churches has been bombed, slaughtered. People have been slaughtered, Christians in Nigeria. And when they were less Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, they will leave them, call them repentant Boko Haram. Call them repentant Boko Haram because they are sponsored is in Nigeria. Now the same Nigerian politicians are sponsoring them. If you say na Igbo be the herdsmen, you will not hear repentant Boko Haram. They will be immediately they will hold them, they will slaughter them because they are Igbos. But I want you people to ask, why are Igbos are talking about Biafra? Because if you arrest Simon Ekpa, let's pass Nnamdi Kanu, thousands of Simon Ekpa is in Igbo land. Thousands of Nnamdi Kanu is in Igbo land. You cannot arrest all of them. The best thing that you people will do, why are Igbos talking about Biafra? Why? Upon you people slaughter millions of Igbos in Biafra war, they are still talking about Biafra. Why? What happened? That is what you people are supposed to do. Know the reason they are talking about Biafra. That is the only thing. That is the only thing you people need to do. But by arresting using violence, it will not stop Biafra. It will not stop Biafra. If gun and bullet will end Biafra, after you people kill millions of Igbos in Biafran war, no Igbo man or woman will talk about Biafra. But upon you people slaughter them in Biafran war, they are still talking about Biafra today. Nigeria government, listen to me. Though I'm talking about the generation right now that are hearing the sound of my voice.